and overflowing blessings to everyone. For our daily verse, we are now at Exodus chapter 6 from verse 14 up to verse 20. The following men were the head of their ancestral clans. The sons of Reuben, Jacob's oldest son, were Hanok, Palu, Hezron, and Carmi. The sons of Simeon were Jimwell, Jamin, Ohad, Jashin, Sohar, Shahul, the son of a Canaanite woman. He believed to be 137. His sons were Gershon, Kohath, and Merari. Gershon's sons were Libni and Shimei. Kohath lived to be 133. His sons were Amram, Ishar, Hebron, and Uziel. Merari's sons were Mali and Mushi. All of the above were from the Levi tribe. Amram lived to be 137. He married his father's sister, Jochebed, and they had two sons, Aaron and Moses. So that's the genealogy of the family of Moses and Aaron, and their mother name is Jochebed. So what does this mean? This means that in every generation there's a leader. So as a leader, we need to lead our generation. Yes, lead your generation. And as we are aware, the tribe of Levi were the priests. So that's what we call generational priesthood, right? And yes, if you serve the Lord, sooner or later, your descendants will imitate your action, your child, your grandchildren, and great-grandchildren. And yes, you need to lead by action, not just by words. And serving the Lord must be a lifestyle that soon will be a tradition that the entire family will follow from one generation to the next. So let serving the Lord be part of your DNA. And know for sure that as we serve Him, He too will empower us the way He empowers His servants.